Get off me!
What happened? You have just watched them and made sure they got out as planned.
One they left behind may have figured out those plans.
Where is he now?
We don't know. And if he gets to the Russians, we're screwed.
He won't.
But your men have spent half a day looking for him already.
Calm down, Mr. Moffat. He won't get to the Russians. What about these Americans? Did they make contact?
No. Valentina made sure of that.
We've blocked the frequency in the area. I doubt that he'll be able to make any radio contact anymore.
Put him in with the others. Move!
Painter, this is Hargreaves. Do you copy? Painter, this is Hargreaves. Do you copy?
We had a deal. I set you up. I put everything in its place just the way you wanted it.
We appreciate your sacrifices, Mr. Love.
You want to wipe out your Chechen army? Fine, but I'm not supposed to be here when the place is taken out.
I'm touched by your deep sense of self-interest.
You promised me the money and safe passage.
You're absolutely right. Same message.
Godspeed, Army.
Our friend in Moscow will tell us if the American makes contact. Put guards at the place he targeted. Take everything apart, brick by brick.
What makes you think he will come here and not contact the government?
He's American. He's probably watching us now, planning his next move.
That's the best you're gonna get.
It's not enough. We need to know what happened on that evac.
Run it back.
Jack's here.
Try Heinfeld.
Hello?
Amanda.
It's you. What's going on?
Listen, we gotta talk this thing through. All right, listen to me. Just you and me. Nobody else. You understand?
You're the only one I trust.
Something's off about this mission. I don't know who's pulling the strings up there, but
I think we're being set up.
Did you set the target?
Yeah, but I'm gonna set a secondary. Amanda.
Give me that.
Amanda.
What the hell is going on?
Cynthia?
What happened on the evac?
Put Amanda back on.
Soldier, talk to me. Talk to me.
I don't get it. We were on the chopper, and we were clear to go. Why would they wait until then to try and waste us?
It was all too easy. We just waltzed on in there like we owned the place.
Yeah, no shit. And these fuckers played us. I mean, what the fuck is going on here, Captain? Let's just concentrate on trying to get ourselves out of here. Yeah, right. Take a look around. I don't think so.